guys? Brian Ippoliti with Spiral NY here. We are here at our open house in Belrose, Queens. We're very excited about it. Already had some good traffic coming through before the open house even started. So I want to explain a little bit what we do with the open houses for our clients, what the purpose of it is. When we do an open house, we want it to be really like an event. And that's the way it used to be before social media, before agents depended on, posting open house on Zillow and Trulia and all these other affiliates. You want people to be driving by and you want it to catch their eye. So as we approach the house here, you'll actually see we have balloons set up. We got the for sale sign, the open house signs down at each street corner, and a lot of traffic is coming in. We're super excited about it. Yikes. Alright guys, just gotta make a protein shake for all these real estate gains. Working up an appetite. We got a nice, busy open house. Ton of people coming through, but I gotta keep up these gains, can't lose those. So no excuses guys, gotta get your protein in and sell some houses. Guys, closing up shop, busy open house. Everyone was heading that way to our house, but we're done here for today. A lot of traffic, great turnout. Whew. Okay, that is a wrap on our open house. We ran from 12 to 2 p.m. We went over by about 30 minutes today. So many tours, so much interest, huge turnout. We had 12 visitors logged here on our iPad. We had another 6 agents come by, bringing multiple buyers. My man right here brought by about 6 different sets of buyers. So huge turnout, massive success. Stay tuned for the final result.